Welcome back. In this video again, today I have another AOC monitor. Although it looks like similar, but this is a different model, E2270SWHN, and it's on a base stand. I hope someone struggling like me to remove this stand. So I basically want to remove this stand to turn into that monitor as a BISA or height adjustable, as I don't like to be on the very lower base. So I want to remove this base from this monitor. So keep watching. I'll show you how you can remove this base plate and the base stand from this monitor. In order to remove the base or to perform this, I would suggest always remove the power connection. So first of all, we'll remove this base, just slightly pinch and push from the front. Should let you remove this base. But very careful, don't push too hard, otherwise you'll break those plastic. So we detach this base plate. Now we just slightly need a small screwdriver to push down. And just pull the stand. So just slightly, again, don't be too hard, otherwise you'll break this part. So very careful. And if you want to put it back on, just slide into that and push back, attach again. So this is how you remove the stand from your E2270SWHN monitor.